This meeting is being recorded.
Hello, my name is Raymond Rehan Tampanguma, with ID number 13086200071 from Biology A 2020. And in this meeting, I will discuss about cell wall. The outline is first introduction about the cell wall, and the second is the structure of the cell wall. Third is the chemical composition of the cell wall, and the last is the important compounds of the cell wall. Okay, the introduction is each cell is surrounded on all sides by the cell wall. The cells of herbaceous tissue or primary tissue have only the primary cell wall and middle lamella, which are not very rigid. It makes the vegetable or the fruit is we can eat because it's not very rigid. Most of the plant tissue we eat only has primary cell walls. When fruits ripen, the middle lamella breaks down due to pectin digestion. Thus the cells slip past each other and the tissue seems softer. The cellulose microfibrils in the primary cell wall are parallel, which allow the cell wall to expand as the cell grows. The cell of woody or wood-like lignified tissues possess a secondary cell wall. In the secondary cell wall, the cellulose microfibrils are crisscrossed and are impregnated with lignin, both of which make secondary cell wall very hard and rigid. We can find the secondary cell wall in a dicotyl plant. Okay, first we will discuss about the structure. The structure of the cell wall is middle lamella, primary wall, and secondary wall. Middle lamella is located between two primary walls. Okay, we can see on the picture on the next slide. 2 consists of pectin material which attaches two primary walls. The third, many contain pectinase enzymes which function to dissolve pectin and destroy the middle lamella. Middle lamella, the destroy middle lamella is the old middle lamella. To dysfunction, destroy the middle lamella is to regeneration. The second is primary wall. It is the first wall that develops in new cell that have only one layer. It makes primary wall we can found in all the plant on the younger plant that have only one layer. This wall is formed as the cell grows. As long as the cell grows, this wall is formed. The constituent ingredients are cellulose, hemicellulose, and pectin. This part we can find and we can see in the picture on the important composition of the cell wall. Okay, the secondary wall is formed after cell have finished growing or have reached maximum growth. So we can find it in oldest or older plant, in dicotyl plant. Consists of 1 until 3 layer, where generally the middle layer has the thickest thickness. Sometimes in gymnosperms there are tracheae called tertiary walls. And this is the picture that before I said we can find the middle lamella between the two primary cell wall. Middle lamella in the blue color and primary cell wall in the yellow color. We can find the middle lamella is the between the primary cell wall, like I said before. We can say that middle lamella is between of the two cell. It make a distance from the one cell to the other cell, and we can found the secondary cell wall is under the primary cell wall. The cell wall from this picture we can found the function to protect the organelle in the cytoplasma of the cell. We can found plasmodesmata too on the cell wall. This plasmodesmata is the function for the transport nutrition and mineral from the one cell to the other cell. On the second picture we can see the middle lamella in the black color, and we can found between on the two primary cell wall. The primary cell wall is formed cellulose and pectins. And then chemical composition from the cell wall is the cellulose molecules from the bundles called microfibrils. We can see on this picture too, from the glucose bundle and we can call it is the microfibrils, cellulose molecules. And the cellulose molecules from bundles it's called microfibrils. In some parts arranged regularly called micelles. Okay, the space between the microfibril is filled with other compounds like lignin, suberin, and the etc. Later, the microfibril will form macrofibril. From microfibril, it will form macrofibrils. Each microfibril contains 40 until 70 cellulose chains that are parallel in position. Okay, we can see on this picture to the right. Important compounds of the cell wall is cellulose, hemicellulose, pectin, and protein. On the secondary cell wall, we can found cellulose chains that makes the hemicellulose. On the primary cell wall, we can found cellulose microfibril, protein, and pectic polysaccharides. And middle lamella between the two primary cell wall, we can found the middle lamella pectin, the enzyme who destroy the older or the oldest middle lamella to regeneration. Okay, this is my presentation. Thank you for the attention. I'm sorry about the shortcoming. I still learning, and thank you for the attention. Good afternoon.